Regina's a pretty good spot for manufacturing. You know, even in Canada, it's centrally located, it's close to the US border, and there's a lot of good talent in the area.
We looked around 12 years ago and we felt Regina was a perfect location for our product. It's really in the center of the first zero-till region in the world, really, one of the first ones. So a lot of this technology came from farms around this area.
People like living and working in Regina, not only because of the high-paying opportunity, but because people here in the prairies like staying close to home. So what you find is that you can work for a globally competitive business, travel the world, come up with innovative products right here at home, but also stay close to family and friends.
The first opportunity where I started the company was with a Saskatchewan-based company. And so, you know, that's how we got started, and that's where our roots are, and that's where we stayed. Mostly it's been a benefit of the people, the quality people, and the ability to keep them around.
For us, why Regina is, it was bigger than Raymore, and we wanted to set up somewhere where we had access to our vendors, to employees, and we picked Regina and we have no regrets. Just the spin-off. We're buying paints and welding wires and equipment and vehicles, and the spin-off return on from manufacturing is enormous in Regina and Saskatchewan.
I think the Regina Advantage is the people. So we do everything locally, all the welding and everything. We don't do it in-house anymore, which we used to. We do it, but it's in town, it's in Regina.
In Saskatchewan, there is no First Nation manufacturer currently. The vision for Pasco First Nation is to have all people employed, and we would like to be the lead in that industry.
Being in such close proximity to First Nations is a huge strategic asset for our city. This is a young labor force. This is a labor force that's in demand, and increasingly what we've been able to enjoy is strong partnerships between on and off reserve First Nations community and the manufacturing sector.
You know, manufacturing has always been very strong in Saskatchewan. If there's a couple thousand First Nations that we can employ locally, you know, provincial-wide, that's a good start.
So the Regina Advantage is the innovative companies, it's the skilled workforce, and it's the strategic location to farmland, to mines, to energy, all relying on the innovative products and services available within this region.